If pareho tayong walang budget magpasalon mga Hitsuraan, this is for you. Hi mga Hitsuraan, this is Crystal Q Pakanya and you are watching YouNeilIt's vlog. It's YouNeilIt. YouNeilIt, cause I nailed it. Hi mga Hitsuraan, I'm back. So for today's video mga Hitsuraan, I'll be teaching you on how to bleach your hair. Thanks to my good friend for teaching me on how to bleach your hair. Thanks to Ate Rightful. Thank you Ate for teaching me. Para ma-share ko sa aking mga Hitsuraan family, Team Hitsuraan. First thing to do is you need to wash your hair. If meron kayong nilagay na hair conditioner. If you're going to try to bleach your hair mga Hitsuraan, make sure na hindi kayo gumamit ngayon ng conditioner or any hair oil hair, tama ba? Or any hair lotion. Yeah, I'm using this. Di kasi ako medyo gumagamit ng gel mga Hitsuraan kasi nakaka-dandruff daw siya. So, ito yung ginagamit ko mga Hitsuraan. It's a hair lotion by Mooney or Honey, I'm not sure. Ito. Nasa Watson lang ito mga Hitsuraan. 99 pesos lang siguro ito if I'm not mistaken. It's a curl defining milk. So by the way, this is not a sponsored vlog. Before you apply the bleaching set mga Hitsuraan, you need to wash your hair again if you used conditioner or any hair lotion. So kanina umaga gumamit nga ako ng hair lotion kaya nag-wash ulit ako ng hair ko and dry na siya ngayon. So kung nagtaka kayo mga Hitsuraan na bakit messy yung hair ko kasi wala akong nilagay na kahit ano. So yeah, look, it's so dry. Pero natural lang to yung ating Hitsuraan mga Hitsuraan. Natural po talaga to. Ito na siya mga Hitsuraan. Di ba parang galing Food Panda lang. So i-open na natin siya. So I have here the mixing bowl or bowl. Plastic yung plastic yung ni-recommend ng friend ko na Regina gamitin kasi bawal daw yung metallic. And the brush, this brush. Mura lang to mga Hitsuraan kasi nandito ako sa Manila. O, tag 35 ito, tsaka 25 or 40 ata ito. Walang nakalagay na price. Then, the hair cup. You need the hair cup mga Hitsuraan. 25 pesos yung bili ko nito. Next, here's the bleaching mga Hitsuraan. Ay, ito pala. It's a Hydrolyzed Keratin Hair Brightener by Brightener. Yeah. 50 grams siya mga Hitsuraan. So, the product featured formulated with mild ingredients of hydrolyzed keratin that can protect your hair with bleaching. It can also revitalize the hair's natural protective layer and also shown to greatly reduce hair damage from harsh chemicals. Sure? Is it sure? Is this legit? It can lighten natural pigment and also gives intense and vibrant color effect. Meron pa pala isa. It's 9% volume 30 mga Hitsuraan. Nakalimutan ko yung price niya. Basta less than 50 lang to. 45 ata. Then ito is 60. I'm not sure. Wala kasi silang binigay na resibo. Nakalimutan kong humingi. But before we'll continue this video mga Hitsuraan, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to click the bell button to receive a notification for my next upcoming videos. Let's get started! First thing to do mga Hitsuraan, if you're first time to do bleaching with your hair, make sure you have two skin tests. skin test talaga mga Hitsuraan. So, virgin pa yung hair ko mga Hitsuraan. So, di pa to nakatry. Wait. Di pa to nakatry malagyan ng any hair color except hair paint. Sinulog bilay. First is you need to mix these two mga Hitsuraan without putting any other product. Ito lang dalawa. You don't need to add water unless stated at the back, but walang namang nilagay. And mabait tayo, and girl, marunong tayong sumunod sa batas. But before that mga Hitsuraan, precautions. Do not forget to put a gloves. I don't have the surgical gloves, but you can also use these disposable gloves mga Hitsuraan. Don't forget to use a face mask mga Hitsuraan kasi strong yung amoy niya. One is to one. It means one bleaching pack and one collage hydrox. By the way, if mahaba yung hair mo, of course, you need to use 2 sets kasi kulang lang pag isa. It's time to mix. Don't forget to mix it well mga Hitsuraan. I don't like the smell. Sir, if isugan ka sir ba pag maser? So ito yung consistency ng mga Hitsuraan. Look. Medyo may powder pa na namumuo pero okay na ata to. It's time to skin test mga Hitsuraan. Just a little drop of the mixture to your skin. Wait for 10 minutes. By the way mga Hitsuraan, 15 minutes ko pala itong ginawa. Pero nothing's happened. I forget to mask. Disclaimer lang pala mga Hitsuraan, I am not a professional hair specialist. By the way mga Hitsuraan, the bleaching time is anytime. What I mean is as long as hindi siya bumaba ng 30 minutes. So, if you want 1 hour, pwede lang siya. Kung gaano ka bleach yung gusto mo, doon ka na mag-stop. At kung gaano mo pa kakaya yung hapdi. Nasa 30 minutes na ako ngayon mga Hitsuraan and kaya ko pa yung hapdi niya. And medyo visible na yung hair ko na nag-bleach na siya. Add another 10 minutes. Expect na lang mga Hitsuraan na medyo meron kang mararamdaman na mahapdi sa scalp nyo. So, mas may recommend ko sa inyo na huwag nyong isali yung scalp nyo. But, if you want to achieve na lahat ng hair nyo is mabi-bleach, then isali nyo na yung scalp yung mga Hitsuraan. I already changed my gloves. By the way mga Hitsuraan, iwasan nyo siyang masali yung skin yung mga Hitsuraan kasi makati siya and medyo mahapdi din siya mga Hitsuraan. Like gusto mo siyang ganunin kasi makati siya mga Hitsuraan. So please iwasan yung isali yung skin niyo. While we're waiting mga Hitsuraan, let's do unboxing. I have here the Moisture Nano Spray. So I got this at Lazada mga Hitsuraan. If you want to buy this mga Hitsuraan, I'll leave the link down below. Pala yung mukha niya mga chan. Ang nakasulat sa kanya is I can't read. I think it's Chinese, but it's Ckayin. Chikayin. If I'm not wrong, is it Chikayin? Correct me if I'm wrong. Is it Chikayin mga chan? Ganito pala siya kalaki mga chan. Let's compare it with my Fresh Skins by St. Ives. Ganito siya kalaki mga chan. Upon unboxing the box, upon opening the box mga chan, ito ang bubungad sa iyo agad. And then, meron siyang kasamang instructions, but unfortunately I can't read because it's Chinese. Girl. Then meron pala siyang kasamang USB cord mga chan. Half a meter siguro ito. Currently I'm using it as a humidifier mga chan, so nilalagyan ko lang siya ng water dito and dinadropan ko siya ng Downy. So I have a mixture already mga chan. I recommend you mga chan na halfway full lang yung paglagay nyo ng liquid. So, may space pa before ito ma-full. So, let's close it. And then, you can now use it. Just grab this and pull it down or slide it down. And then, ay. Naka-open na pala. By the way, it's automatically stop after 1 minute. Kaya pala, iba yung mukha. So, ganito pala talaga yung mukha niyong Hitsuraan. Kahiya naman, girl. So, ganito pala yung mukha niyong Hitsuraan. So, meron parang diamond sa front niya so that it will easy to grip ng Hitsuraan. Just slide it down and then it will turn on. Look. Gaano siya kalakas. Kita nyo? Or should I off my electric fan first? So, ganito siya kalakas mga Hitsuraan. Yet, it stopped because it's already 1 minute. And then, if you want to turn it on, just pull it back and then slide it down again. Medyo malakas talaga siyang Hitsuraan. And medyo ganito yung noise niya. Di naman gaano kalakas pero maririnig mo talaga siya. Actually, you can put your skincare inside this nano moisture spray mga Hitsuraan. Sometimes mga Hitsuraan, pag tinatamad ako, I put my moisturizer here. And yeah, it's good. Galing ka sa work mga Hitsuraan and then you'll use your nano spray. Pero, girl, Downy yung laman nito. Pero actually mga Hitsuraan, ang lakas niya talaga. Look. Hindi nyo siya gaanong nakikita minsan pero swear lakas niya. So that's it for today's unboxing mga Hitsuraan. Let's get back to the video. By the way mga Hitsuraan, nakaya ko yung 1 hour na pag-bleaching and I think I'm satisfied na sa kanyang kulay. Let's see. In 3, 2, 1. Girl! Girl! Laisyo kayo no. Hindi pa ako nakabili ng mirror. Ang hilig kong mag-order sa online pero never akong nag-order ng mirror mga Hitsuraan kasi natatakot ako baka mabasag. Baka masayang lang yung pera ko. I know, nakarelate kayo. It's time to rinse. I suggest you mga Hitsuraan na wag mo munang applyan ng shampoo or conditioner yung buhok nyo. By the way mga Hitsuraan, time check, it's already 10 o'clock. So bukas na lang ng umaga ako mag-shampoo at magka-conditioner. I'm done. That's it for today, my Hitsuraan. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Shout out to this my Hitsuraan. This is Special Q pa kanya saying, naka-sold on motor na to. New hair color. Thank you, my Hitsuraan. Thank you for supporting me. Bye!